Er was eens a gutsy dog, that had managed to pinch a bit of meat frae a butcher, and it was on the way hame. Wanted to eat it in peace. Well, it come to us burrin, and the only way across was a log, a bit of tree. So a doggy started crossing this tree, and when it was halfway across, it looked down into the water, and of course it seen its reflection. Well, there was another dog wi' a bit of mate, so it thought, and it wanted that bit of mate and so it made a snap, and of course, when it opened its moo to grab the other bit of meat, it beef dropped into its own moo and was washed awa down the burren. So just you mind, dinna be greedy and gutsy like on doggy. Just be satisfied with what you hae.